Hello and welcome, Blade Bond, Tucson, Arizona with eXp Realty, and welcome to this episode of Living in Tucson, your Tucson real estate connection. This episode, we're going to be talking about Del Webb at Rancho Del Lago in Vail, Arizona. Can't wait to show you around. Rancho Del Lago is a large master-planned association consisting of many sub-associations, one of them being Del Webb. Del Webb was a groundbreaking real estate developer most famous for creating the first master-planned active adult community. His innovative approach to community design focused on blending comfortable living with a vibrant lifestyle, emphasizing amenities like golf courses, recreational centers, and scenic surroundings. Rancho Del Lago is a thriving community located just 20 minutes southeast of Tucson. With over 2,000 homes, this master association offers a variety of property styles, from cozy starter homes to spacious family residences. Del Webb at Rancho Del Lago is part of the larger Rancho Del Lago master planned community, but it's uniquely tailored to those aged 55 and better. With thoughtfully designed homes, a low-maintenance lifestyle, and views of the Rincon Mountains, it's easy to see why so many choose to call this place home. With a focus on low-maintenance living and an emphasis on community, Del Webb at Rancho Del Lago offers more than just a home, it's a lifestyle. From the friendly neighbors to the incredible amenities, this is the perfect place to embrace your next chapter. Speaking of amenities, let's head over to the community clubhouse, or as residents call it, the lodge. The Lodge and Recreation Center at Del Webb Rancho Del Lago is the hub for social and fitness activities. Whether you're meeting friends or pursuing personal goals, the space is designed to support an active lifestyle. Del Webb Rancho Del Lago isn't just about offering activities, it's about creating opportunities for connection, relaxation, and personal growth. The clubhouse offers a fully equipped fitness center with modern machines and free weights. Just outside the fitness center, out the eastern wing, you can find bocce ball courts for a relaxing yet engaging activity. Exiting the eastern wing of the clubhouse, just to the right is the sparkling outdoor pool that invites residents to relax, exercise, or cool off under the Arizona sun. The pool area offers lap lanes for exercise and water aerobics, a spacious lounge area, and a heated spa for unwinding after a day on the golf course or trails. Heading back inside, we'll revisit the main foyer before making our way past the billiard room. We'll pass by the Del Webb Rancho Del Lago Veteran Wall as we make our way out the west wing to the courtyard. Del Webb is a former United States Marine, by the way, although once a Marine, always a Marine. Here we are in the main courtyard. We'll briefly stroll over to the pergola, where we can find some comfortable seating with a gas grill. Continuing on, you'll find yourself on one of the many community walking paths. We took a bit of a roundabout way to the Pavilion, which is the second recreation center building. We'll stroll past the water feature and take a look inside. Staying connected and engaged is easy at Del Webb Rancho Del Lago. Residents enjoy a variety of clubs and activities tailored to their interests. Here in the pavilion, you can see an inviting chessboard, a center island being used for puzzles, a library, and an open room used for board meetings and social gatherings. Del Webb Rancho Del Lago is home to many social groups, including book clubs, gardening groups, crafting circles, and social clubs that organize group outings, game nights, and themed dinners. There are also fitness classes such as yoga, aerobics, and Zumba. And last but certainly not least, just outside are the tennis and pickleball courts, perfect for friendly games or competitive matches. Rancho Del Lago is located near the Rincon mountain range, which offers plenty of hiking and mountain biking adventures. Just 10 minutes north is the Loma Alta trailhead, and 10 minutes east is the Colossal Cave Mountain Park. Let's not forget about golf. After all, Rancho Del Lago is a golf course community. Here we are at the Hacienda Del Lago Restaurant Bar and Grill, which is also home to the Del Lago Golf Club Pro Shop. The Rancho Del Lago Golf Club is a public 18-hole championship course that serves as the centerpiece of the Rancho Del Lago master-planned community. Designed by Nugent Golf Associates, the same firm behind the PGA Tour stop Kemper Lakes, the course opened in 2000. It features a par 72 layout stretching up to 7,206 yards from the back tees, with a course rating of 73.9 and a slope of 135. The course offers 5 sets of tees to accommodate players of varying skill levels. The layout incorporates 120 feet of elevation change, beginning at the highest point on the first hole and descending into the valley, with the back 9 running along Pantano Wash. Golfers are treated to panoramic views of the Rincon and Santa Catalina mountains. The greens are Tiff-Eagle Bermuda, while the fairways consist of Bermuda grass in the summer and overseeded rye in the winter. 7 lakes come into play on 6 holes, adding strategic challenges to both drives and approach shots. The course features strong bunkering around the greens, enhancing its difficulty and aesthetic appeal. Del Lago boasts extensive practice facilities, including a driving range, practice bunker, and a 12,000 square foot practice green. Let's zoom back on over to Del Webb and take a look at some numbers. Here we are at the main gate to the Del Webb portion of Rancho Del Lago. There are 2 sections of the Del Webb neighborhood, one we're entering now and another just across the street behind us. The main neighborhood here hosts the lodge, 2 gated exits and entrances, while across the street having a single ingress and 2 egress gates. If you would like a full tour of the association, be sure to check out the 360 driving tour at the end of today's video. The community comprises 585 single-family homes, with sizes ranging from approximately 1,200 to over 2,800 square feet. These residences typically feature at least 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2 car garages. As of November 2024, home prices in Del Webb at Rancho Del Lago generally fall between the mid-300s and low 500s, depending on factors such as size, location, and specific features of the property. This video was recorded in late November 2024. Based on the past 6 months, there have been 7 homes closed ranging from $325,000 to $540,000, with the average home resting around $420,000 at just over 1,800 square feet. Now let's take a brief tour of a few homes here in Del Webb, Rancho Del Lago. Here we have a larger home at 2,751 square feet. This home features 3 bedrooms and a large den or office space. An open floor plan with a gourmet kitchen, the primary suite offers a large ensuite, dual vanities, a walk-in shower, and a walk-in closet. Just off the kitchen, you have additional counter space and cupboards with a generous chef pantry. At the time of recording this video, this home is offered at $525,000, or just $204 per square foot, which is well under the median price of $230 per square foot in Tucson. Now let's fly on over to our second home and take a look around. Here we are walking into a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a den. This home is 1,773 square feet and is offered at $444,000 or $250 per square foot. Though this is a beautiful 2015 build home in Phase 2, the market data suggests this home is overpriced. If this is your first time on our channel, make sure to subscribe and watch our monthly market update videos, where we cover everything from current market conditions and the importance of pricing your home correctly. Now on to our third and final home tour. Gliding back over to Phase 2, we'll be stepping into a 1,453 square foot home comprising of 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. To our left is a smaller bedroom and a full bath. Out the main living space are French doors leading to a cozy brick-pavered patio space. There is an open kitchen layout with a gas stove, medium-sized pantry, and a center island. The master bathroom offers a walk-in closet with dual vanities and a stand-up shower. The 3 doors would not cooperate, so I'll wrap up in the secondary. This home is offered at $344,000 or $230 per square foot. The closest grocery shopping is right here at Safeway, along with some usual suspects such as Walgreens, Subway, Taco Bell, and McDonald's, which is just 2.6 miles or about a 6-minute drive away. The HOA fees for Del Webb at Rancho Del Lago range from just $212 per month up to $256, depending on the size of your home. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to see more neighborhood tour videos. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us an internet high five and let us know what other areas in and around Tucson that you would like to see next.
Buying or selling a home is one of the biggest decisions you'll ever make. That's why you need a local Tucson expert real estate partner. With all the exciting reasons you have for buying a home, one of the biggest reasons is it can dramatically increase your family's wealth. So whether you're looking to purchase your first home, your next home, a second home, an investment property, or maybe you want to sell your home, choosing an experienced real estate expert to help you will make it a smooth and easy process. And choosing the right realtor can make the difference of more money in your pocket after closing. So whether you're a first-time home buyer or a seasoned investor, or maybe just interested in knowing what your home's worth, contact Tyler Ford and Team today. Call Tyler Ford and Team today at 520-775-3400. That's 520-775-3400.